In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw your Jumptask earnings to Binance using BNB Smart Chain, step by step. But first, if it is your first payout, make sure to connect a crypto wallet to Jumptask before requesting the payout. Alright, let's begin then. Tap on your profile icon. And here we have the payout section. Now tap on Payout. And here we have BSC and Celo network options. Let's select BSC. And tap on Payout. Okay, then scroll down and see the payout status. So here, our payout is under review. If it is under review, we have to wait until it is completed, so it may take some time. And here, our payout is completed. And here we also have a notification. Okay, let's check that in Trust Wallet. Here in Trust Wallet, I have received my payout as Jump tokens. And if it is your first payout, you need to enable Jump token in your wallet. Otherwise, the balance won't be visible in your wallet. So let's enable Jump token. Tap on Manage Crypto. And type here JMPT. And enable the one with BNB Smart Chain. Okay, then go back and see. And now your balance will appear in your wallet. So before we send this to Binance, we need to convert Jump token into BNB. So in order to do that, we need a small amount of BNB balance in our wallet for the swap fee. So let's go to Binance. Tap on Assets. And here I have some BNB balance. Now tap on Send. Tap on Withdraw Crypto. And select BNB here. Okay, let's go back to Wallet. And tap on Fund. And select here Crypto Wallet. And search and select BNB here as well. And copy the address here. Back to Binance. And paste the address here. Select the network as BSC. And here, enter BNB amount. And tap on Withdraw. Confirm. Back to Wallet. Okay, now here we have some BNB. Now tap on Swap. And select here Jump token. And here select BNB. Enter the amount here. Continue. Approve the token. And confirm. Okay, the swap is complete. Now here we have BNB. Go back to Binance. Here, tap on Add Funds. And select On-Chain Deposit. And here search and select BNB. And make sure to choose the correct one. Here, select BSC. And copy the address here. Then go back to your wallet. Tap on Send. And select BNB here as well. Paste the address here. Then select the amount. I'll select max. Tap next. Confirm and send. Wait a minute. Okay, let's check that out in Binance. Here, tap on Assets. And here, we have received our total balance.